Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that you all are fine and doing good at home and paying your time to your studies as well. First, to remind one thing which I always said to you, that you should wear the mask when you are going outside. You should keep yourself at social distance. You should wash your hands daily several times, and you should also use a sanitizer. Now come to our today's lesson, but before that you should take the name of Allah and say with me, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, in the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो नहायत मेहरबान रहम वाला है. रब्बे ज़िदनी इल्मा. आमीन. Today I have something for you. I have a wheel for you which moves around. Is it interesting? Yes. But you can see that there are some pictures given over this wheel. Yes, you can, I think, identify these are the parts of body. You know that our body have most of the parts which we used in our daily routine. These parts are helpful for us to smell, to hear, to hold things, and to walk. So here are some parts of the body which we will discuss. First, can you identify which one is nose? Is this nose? No. Is this nose? No. Is this nose? No. So I will give you a hint that nose is used to smell. Yes, this is nose. So we will move this wheel towards its name, where the name of the nose is written. Here the nose is written, so we will move this wheel. Yes, by moving this wheel you can see that all the parts of body are in front of the names. So after nose we have hair. Yes, hair cover our head and it beautifies us. The next one is the ear. Ear is used to hear voices. इससे हम आवाज़ें सुन सकते हैं. The next one is the lips. Lips not only beautifies us, but it helps us while talking, because these are helpful to make noises or voices. The next are the hands. The next one is the hands. Hands are the most important part of our body because these are helpful to hold things. These are helpful in eating, writing, drinking, and playing as well. So hands are really the blessing of God. The next is your arm. Arm is also helpful to hold things and to move your hands in different directions. The most important part of our body, which carries the weight of our bodies and help us to walk. These are our foot. Next is another most important part, एक और अहम हिस्सा हमारे जिस्म का, जो कि है हमारी eyes यानी आँखें. Because without eyes we cannot see anything. So these are helpful to see what we have around us. So all these parts of body are very much important. Again, you recall all these with me one by one. Eyes, nose, hair, ear, lips, hand, arm, foot, and again eye. So these are the parts of body which we have over our moving wheel. Now come to your book. The same topic is being given over your book. Let's see what is given over your book of my word. This is your book of my word. Now come to the page number 7. Page number 6. Here some blanks are given. What you have to do by your own, you will look at the pictures which are given above the page and you will fill the blanks. The first sentence is I hear with my dash. So I told you already that we hear with our ears. So you will look at the spelling of ears and fill the blank with the missing spelling or missing letter, that is E. So we will write over here E. Then look at the picture. The eyes are given. A hint is given for you, and here it is written, I see with my eyes. So look at the spellings of eyes and find out the missing spelling, which is E. So write here the smaller E. Now come to the next picture. This is nose, and you know that we smell with our nose, and here is written I smell with my nose. So look at the spellings of nose, N-O-S-E, nose. So what is missing? N. No is missing over here. So write here N. Now come to the next one. I chew with my dash. So we chew with our teeth. हम खाना चबाते हैं अपने teeth से. So look at the spellings of teeth. What is missing over here? T. T is missing over here. So we will write here T. So this is your page number 6, which we have done today as being classwork. Now come to the next page. Here a boy is given and pointing out with different parts of body. Now you can recall these with me. The first one is head, then face. Say with me in the correct pronunciation. This is neck. These are shoulder. This is arm. This is hand. And this is leg. And this is foot. So recall these again and again to know your parts of body. Now look at the next page. Look at the next page, which is page number 8. Here two parts of body are given. The first one is your foot and the other one are the hands. So what you have to do, you have to match these parts of body with the activity done by these or action done by these parts of body. I will not guide you because you will do it by your own. Now come to the next page also, the page number 9 and page number 10. Here also some activities are given. Some parts of body are pointed out with the help of arrow. Arrow से कुछ parts of body को point out किया गया है. And the question is given above. For example, the first one, which is the knee? Which one is the knee? Knee कौन सा है? Knee कौन सा है? There are 3 pictures given and you will have to tick the right picture. The next is, which is the ankle? Ankle कौन सा है? You have to tick the right picture. The next is toe. You must know that our foot has also many parts. The front part having the fingers is called toe, and the backward part of our foot is called its ankle. Yes, and knee. You know what is knee? Yes, this is your knee, which help us to move our or to fold our legs. Come to the next page. You will also do this page by your own. The first question is, which is the elbow? I think you already know that which is the elbow. What you have to do, you will have to tick that picture where the arrow is showing the elbow. The next is, which is the shoulder? Shoulders are very much important, and I think you have already have an idea about the shoulder. The next is, which is the wrist? Wrist. You know that our arm has many parts and our arm is attached to our hand, and the joint where our arm and our hand is joined, that is called our wrist. Our wrist help us to move our hand in many directions. So I think now you have the idea that what is called wrist. Wrist जो है वो हमारे हाथ और हमारे बाजू को जोड़ती है, और रिस्ट हमें हेल्प करती है कि हम अपने हाथ को मुख्तलिफ डायरेक्शंस में घुमा सकें। तो जिससे आपको आइडिया हो गया होगा कि इन पिक्चर्स में रिस्ट कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट है। सो व्हाट यू विल डू स्टूडेंट्स, यू विल हैव टू complete these 2 pages by your own, and what you will do, you will make a picture of it and you will send it into your WhatsApp group. Thank you for today.